What's up, guys? Here's my fireworks stash, my first video ever of making a stash. I've seen a bunch of these on YouTube, and I love fireworks, so figured I'd make one. It's early in the season. It's February 2012. I think it's the 10th. Yeah, it's the 10th. And here's my first stash of the year. It's just mostly bottle rockets right now. And later on, I'll show you some reloadable artillery shells and stuff. But for right now, let's just bottle rockets and some rockets and firecrackers, just a few right now. And hope y'all enjoy it. For right now, it's just bottle rockets. Everybody's seen some bottle rockets. There's Mad Hornets, Grossities, Trident 12, assorted rockets, like the 6 ounces, 8 ounces, whatever. There's 2-ounce rockets from Mega Bangers. Then you got the little Trident 8 Mega Bangers. Got these. Some Chinese bottle rockets. Some Grizzly rockets. A bunch of other single ones and stuff like that right now. Hope you enjoy it. Comment, let me know how you like this video. But thanks.